Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLA class, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So all we need to do is apply slip solution to the lens. And with the clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. So to start the installation for the headlight, we need to start by applying tack solution just on the edge where we're going to start by lining the film first. So just apply it around this area and apply tack solution to the adhesive side of the film. And the reason we're applying tack solution first is that way we could align the film as quickly as possible and also tack it down. That way, once this is secured, we could just work our way to the other end. So make sure you align it to the edge. And once you have it aligned here, just apply tack solution on top, grab your squeegee, hold it in position and tack it down. And make sure to remove all of the solution that's underneath the film. That way we don't have any bubbles left over. Once this section is secured, now we're going to stretch the film, keeping it aligned and stretching it to that end. So to stretch the film, we're going to need to apply slip solution. So just apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. Stretch it until you reach it to the edge here. So once you stretch it, hold it in position, lift the film, apply tack solution on the edge, place it back down, hold it on the edge for a couple seconds, that way the adhesive on the film starts tacking down to this section of the headlight. So maybe hold it for like 10 seconds or so, and then apply tack solution on top, and with your squeegee, tack it down and anchor it to this section of the headlight. And the reason why we need to secure this one first, that way once this section is secured, we just work away here, tacking down all these small fingers. So now that this is secured, just apply tack solution to the film, start tacking down the film, make sure to remove any solution that's trapped underneath the film. With this section here, just bring the film just a little bit down, that way it covers the lower lens here. Hold it down, and then just tack it down. And then if you do happen to have small fingers like the ones on the top here, you would just apply a little bit of tack solution and heat to seal and tack down the fingers. But before we apply heat, just make sure to remove all of the solution that's behind the film. That way we don't leave any water or any bubbles behind. So to seal it, apply tack solution wherever you see those fingers, apply heat, and then we're just going to tack it down with our microfiber towel and squeegee. So apply a little bit of heat. Now the next step, once you finish applying heat, wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee. And when you do this method, squeegee at an angle, that way you're able to tack down the fingers and also help remove any solution that's around the edges of the fingers. So it should look like this. Smooth, no fingers, and then just repeat the process for the top layer here. So once you finish with the installation, the last thing to do is to post-heat the entire tint. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. So just apply tack solution to the lens, and with the heat gun, apply heat throughout the entire film to just help, like I mentioned, just to help the adhesive activate faster. And as we're applying heat, we're just going to use a microfiber towel to help tack down the film and also help remove any solution that's trapped around the edges. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLA. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.